Hello guys, welcome to my channel Splunk in 5 minutes. Today we are going to talk about how to copy a dashboard from one Splunk application to another. So here is the outline of our talk. The first is what we want to achieve exactly. The second, the points to know before copying the dashboard. And third, of course, we are going to see demo about it. So here on screen you can see two sample applications. App 1, which is a Splunk demo view, and it has a employee by job profile one dashboard, and another application app 2, which is a learning demo. So what I want to achieve is I want to copy the same dashboard from Splunk demo view to learning demo. So previously I used to copy the source code of dashboard, but there is a better way than this, because there is possibility in copy pasting we may miss something, but here it's a very good alternative, a good way which offers copying of a dashboard from one app to another. So before that, here the points to know is you should have a global permission to your dashboard. Your dashboard should have global permissions before making it available to another application. And second, these dashboards are uniquely identified by some ID. We call it view here, and which must be unique to identify your dashboards. So we will see the demo, and we'll also describe these points in the demo. So here I am in Splunk instance, and I have chosen this Splunk demo U app, which has one dashboard called employees by job profile. You can see here, and the permission to this dashboard is a global. So what we want to do is to copy this dashboard from this application to learning demo, which has 0 dashboards in it, and I want to use or reuse that dashboard here. So for that, what I will do to make this dashboard available in learning demo app, I have to go to settings and user interface. So you will see here it is a views tab. You have to click on it, and you can choose the dashboard from this views. So it is identified here by views. So I will first choose my application Splunk demo to you as admin, and I should see my dashboard here. Here it is identified by the unique name, like employees underscore by job underscore profile. So now I will clone this dashboard to make it available in my learning demo application. So I will click on clone, and here you have to select this learning demo application as a destination app where you want to copy, and you have to provide a unique identifier for this dashboard. So I will just type a unique identifier. If it is more than one word, so it should be used by underscore, like employee uh, job profile for example learning demo, for learning demo app. So I will just save it, and it should appear in your dashboard under learning demo application. So here it is successfully saved. So we will go back and check under this learning demo. I'll just make a refresh here. You see, you can see this dashboard under learning demo application. So I will just open this and we'll see what it is. So here it is. You can change the input source for this dashboard according to your new application, and make use of existing dashboard. So if you found this video useful, so please do comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Splunk in 5 minutes, and thanks for watching this video.